to be drawing a tank. So let's get started. So first we are going to be drawing a straight line like this. So now we are going to be drawing a slant line like this and like this. And on this side we're going to draw a straight line like this. So on the back side we are going to be drawing a bigger line, and we're going to draw a line on the top, and on the front we're going to draw a slant line. So now we are going to be drawing a straight line to connect it. Let me stop here. A straight line like that. So now we are going to be drawing a line like this on top, and it's almost the same height but a little bit shorter, but I'm going to do them the same size. And now on the back one we're going to do it a straight line like this. So now on the front one we're going to be drawing kind of like an arrow like that. And at the back we're going to draw a straight line like that. Now we are going to be connecting those lines on the top. Okay, so now on that top one, we're going to be drawing one line like this. And in that point that we did, we're going to do that. Okay, so now we're the top of that. Now we're going to be drawing two little lines over here. Okay, so now we're going to be connecting the top. Okay, so now on each of these bottom sides, we're going to do like a half circle. Okay, so on the bottom of that, we're going to do a full circle on the bottom. So we're going to fast forward this part. Okay, so now we're going to do a line like this, like we're going to match the same thing that we did. Okay, so now we're going to draw a line like that same thing in the inside of it. Okay, so now we're going to draw like little lines like this. Okay, so now we're going to draw a smaller circle in the inside of the circle that we did. Okay, so now we're going to be drawing an even smaller circle in the inside of them. Okay, so now we are going to be connecting those. Okay, so now we are going to be drawing a straight line like this. Okay, so now we're going to be drawing lines like this to make it look like it's put on like with metal plates. Okay, so now that line that we did, we're gonna make another line right on top of it that matches it. Okay, so now on the top, we're going to be doing more metal plates, but only 3 lines. Okay, so now we're going to do 3 lines at the back. And draw a line. Okay, so now we're going to be drawing a line like this. Okay, so now we're going to color the rest. Okay, so now we're going to be drawing a line like this. And this. And connect it. Okay, so now on this top one, we're going to be drawing a line like that. Diagonal line. And do that same thing on the back. Line like that. And connecting in. Okay, so now we're going to be drawing a line. Color this in. Okay, so now we're going to be drawing a line like that. Connect it to the back. Okay, so now we are going to be coloring this. Okay, so now we are going to be drawing 3 lines for more plating. And now we're going to be drawing a straight line. Mine's a little bit slanted. Okay, so now we are going to be drawing a line like this and a line like this. We're going to draw like a little line. That. Now we're going to be drawing a line and a little line on top of it. And now we're going to be drawing a line like this. I'm going to make it more thicker. And now I'm going to draw a little one over here too. 2 lines that come out. Connect them at the top. So we're going to be drawing a line like that and that. Now we're going to be drawing a straight line that comes out. So now we're going to be drawing a line like this, and like that, and like that. Now we're going to draw the sight. I don't know if they have sight, but okay. We're just going to draw like that, and that. Okay, so now we're going to be drawing little tiny dots. Now it's time to color. So we are going to be using a tan and the dark green and the black. So first we are going to be using a black to color this top. Now we're going to be getting our dark green. Now we're going to draw it like this, like scribbles. Kind of looks like we're messing up my drawing. Okay, so now we're going to be getting our tan and going over with it on the green. Now we're going to be getting our black to shade it. Okay, so we're gonna go like dark over here and then go just like blend it in so it looks round. To get my green again. The whole entire thing. Okay, so now we're going to be doing some shading. Just wait a minute. Okay, so now we are going to be getting our black, still with our black, and do it like a dark over here, like a shadow. Okay, so this is how it looks like. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video and share it with your friends. Bye!